Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. I'm trying to, can you try to help me get that?
Oh, that bag?
Yeah, the bag, it's with the bird. Look, just go slow, go slow. Get the bag. You see, I'm trying to get him. Damn! It's stuck on him. Come on, we're trying to get the bag. We're trying to get the bag. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Look at me. Watch it. It's on his neck. It's around his neck. It's around his neck.
Yeah.
There. All right. Yay! We did it. Thank you.
You're
What's your
welcome.
name?
Joseph.
Thank you, Joseph. Oh.